Into a ball when stressed or frightened. So once again, our ball python, Sahara, with Trainer Regine. Alright, next proceed to our next animal. I have with me here, the bearded dragon. Triangular head and distinctive bird of spiky scales. In the wild, bearded dragons are omnivores, consuming insects, vegetation, and occasionally fruits. As pets, they communicate through about. I'm sorry, I forgot you. Mom, I have a question. Are you okay with snakes? Okay, as I was saying earlier, Sunshine is very easy and very friendly, so nothing to worry about. We're going to put Sunshine on your shoulder. So are you ready? Okay, all you have to do is step forward, hands like this, and you're ready. So here comes Sunshine. Look at the camera and smile. Thank you again for being part of our Red Showcase, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful day! Thank you so much! Please remain in your seat because we still have All-Star Bird Show and Sea Lion Show. Thank you! For Chaco, we Trainer Jelly. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Rochelle. Now here's an object that I will hang under one of these three silver cups. Where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Alright, let's put it right here. Now let's go to our second word, docile. Docile is our silver-crested kakatu. Scientific name is Kakatua galarita. Common inhabitants are open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They need to be in seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Docile has the ability to find a hidden object? If it says to say, you can do it, Docile. Come on, Docile, you can do it. And he found it! A round of applause for Docile with Trainer Vina. Featured word is just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning their mates are partners for life. Pretty romantic, right? But I'll be dividing you into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy, Sassy. How about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky. Rocky, Rocky. Alright, girls ready? Trainers ready. Here's Rocky for first ball. Second ball for Rocky. And Rocky wins. Trainer Regine, you lose this time. What can you say about that? Hold on, we want another race. She wants another race, Trainer Jelly.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy won't win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the race. What is the race? The first bird would drop 3 inches to go, the fastest the winner, and that is the race. So the race it shall be. Remember guys, the boys already 1 point. 2 girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again this time. A ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's our first president. What happened to you, Sassy? Come on, girl! Second ring for Rocky. And I think, no! like to show you another species of pregnancies. These birds can come to home. Some are related to the Colles and possibly a Sibuyan Island. And meet our comedy guy. Here comes Speed. Running like also known as the Diaspora's Eagles. One of the 106 species of birds that prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, among China. Also, that is here as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So once again, here's our numbers to show us the proper waste disposal. Let's go, buddies. Very good. Easy, right? If the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds like Candy Bar? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the efforts, let's take action, taking them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we've got. Now let me present to you the versatile trainers that make this show possible. Trainer Regine with